Hey guys, have you ever had a dream that you wanted to turn into reality, but you just didn't know which angle to approach it at? Today, I'm inviting you in my home in Massachusetts, in our kitchen, to create a dream board. And dream board is a powerful visualization exercise. It helps you create a clear picture of what you want to achieve in your life. All you need is a poster board, some magazines, and some inspiring quotes that evoke positive sensations, something that aligns with you and something that would drive you forward, something that you would realize, hey, I want this in my life right now. I worked really hard. I'm stretching a little bit. As you can see, it also got somewhat dark behind me. I got a bunch of beautiful pictures and really beautiful quotes. And so I also kept in mind those categories that I'm personally aligning this year's goals with, which are health, wellness, my family, my love life, my personal development, also career outlook. And so I'm gonna look through everything next and then arrange everything, and I'll show you the final result. Guys, when the dream board is complete, put it someplace where you can see it every day. Don't hide it. Keep it in the visual spot. It would be a reminder that will help you focus your energy and intentions on your goals. Because here's the secret. Just having the dream board is not enough. It's super important to take actions towards your dreams, and using this dream board as a compass, as a guide in the direction of your inspiration. The true power of the dream board lies in the combination of seeing it and taking actions. And by constantly seeing that dream board and by having the feelings that inspired you to create it, you will start taking those important baby steps towards your goals. And soon enough, you will be amazed at how you can manifest your aspirations into reality. So what is it that you guys are waiting for? Start creating your reality. And also, if you like the video, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next week. Thanks!